Inhale, exhale, Pranavasana. Inhale, stretched hands up, arch back. Hasta Utthanasana. Exhale, Pada Hastasana. Fix the palms down. Inhale, right leg stretch back. Right knee down. Look up, Ashwa Chanjalanasana. Hold the breath. Other leg back. Body parallel. Push up position. Head down. Heels one line. Exhale, drop the knee, chest, forehead down, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Inhale, slide forward, head up, chest up, look up, toes point out, heels together, toes together. Sarpasana. Exhale, tuck the toes in, press the heels down, hip up, inverted V, Parvadasana. Inhale,